Hi there. In this video, we'll be discussing plans, specifically fixed recurring plans. The fixed recurring model bills a set amount up front on a recurring basis, and this model does not have a concept of quantity. An example is a company like Netflix that charges a certain dollar amount per month for their services. So let's go ahead and create an example plan here together. So I'm in my Recurly account. Under the left side configuration, go ahead and click Plans, and up in the top right, click New Plan. This will take you over to the plan creation page, where we're going to begin filling out some basic information about the plan. So we're going to call this the example of the month. That's going to be my plan name. It's also going to be my code, as well as my plan description. Next, we want to look at the billing period. So how and when should customers be billed? So this is a monthly service, so I'm going to select by the month. And then we have a price per billing of $10 a month. Next, we want to look at the subscription term. So how long does a subscription last, which is a month in our case, before the customer reaches the end of that current billing period and then gets billed again for the following month. So this is just one billing period. Now we have auto renew term at the end of the billing period or expire subscription. In this case, we're going to keep renewing. Next, I have the ability to have some add-ons. So if I wanted to include additional channels as an add-on, or if this was a dog box of the month and I wanted to include discounted toys with the subscription, I could have that as an add-on as well. But in this case, we're going to keep it simple and just our subscription cost. Free trial details. So we're actually going to have a free trial here. It's going to be 14 days. And we are going to require credit card information up front, but you also have the option to not require. Setup fee, in this case there is no setup fee, but you have the option for that. And then our customer emails. So when do we want to send notification here? These are our defaults. You can always add or remove emails. And we'll go ahead and click Create Plan. So you can see we have confirmation here. The plan has been created. And if you're using Recurly's hosted checkout page, you can see the URL over here on the right side. This means you could be up and running collecting payment right now, as long as you have a gateway connected. If you're using the API, you'll be able to view this plan through the API. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.